Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Hayward, local, and long-distance movers near me. Whether you need to move 100 miles away or 3,000 miles away, we got you covered. Our professional movers know how to make a long-distance move go smoothly. We also offer an additional moving service to save you time and hassle, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to spend the money to hire a California moving company. You might think you can handle the heavy lifting yourself. However, when you realize how much time you can save with a local moving company, the cost more than makes sense. Plus, you won't have to risk injury or recruit help for moving your largest and heavy items. Choosing a local moving company such as 3 Movers will provide many benefits. We streamline the entire moving process to ensure you get settled into your new location faster. Our team can handle your move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hayward moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.